Hello students, welcome back to the YouTube channel of St. Wilfred College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Panvel. In today's video, we will discuss how to solve the adjustment on the partnership final account when partners admitted during the year. We solve the adjustments now. Now see what is the first adjustment. In last lecture, we do all the postings. In this lecture, we will see the adjustment how to do. First is D and E where the partners sharing profit and loss equally. Means whatever profit and loss they will incur during the business, the E and D will distribute amongst them equally. Okay. Next is Mr. F was admitted to the partnership on 1st July 2013. We all of you know business was started from January, February, March, April, May, June. These 6 months, F was not admitted in a partnership. But after the 1st July, means after 6 months, F is admitted into the partnership. Next, third adjustment is on 31st December 2013, stock was valued at rupees 70,500. It means this is a closing stock. So what will be the two effects of closing stock? All of you know. First effect, trading account credit side, and second effect, asset side. So do the postings, do the adjustment, two effects of closing stock by closing stock. By closing stock, how much the amount of closing stock? See, how much the amount of closing stock? 70,500. So write down 70,500. 70,500. Now next, second effect. Second effect, which side? Second effect on a asset side. Open the asset side. Second effect on asset side, closing stock. Closing stock. Closing stock. How much the amount of closing stock? 70,500, right? 70,500. Clear? First effect, trading account, credit side. Trading account, credit side, and second effect, asset side. Okay? Now next adjustment. See the next adjustment, rent and rates paid in advance. Paid in advance means what? Paid in advance means prepaid. All of you know paid in advance means what? Prepaid. And what will be the two effects of prepaid? First, P&L account less from P&L account debit side. Whatever expense means less from rent and rates. Second effect on a asset side. So less this amount 700 rupees. So see the P&L account debit side. Less prepaid. Less prepaid. Less prepaid. How much? 700. 700. So 70,700 minus 700 means how much? 17,000. So distribute this 17,000 between these two columns. Means after 6 months means equally. 6 means equally. So 17,000 divided by 2 means 8,500. 8,500. Now second effect, prepaid. Second effect of prepaid on a asset side. So prepaid, rent and rates. How much the amount? 700. Clear? Now next adjustment, sundry expenses outstanding. What is the adjustment? Sundry expenses outstanding. Outstanding means add in expenses and second effect in a liability side. So expenses. So add in expenses, add outstanding. Add outstanding. How much the amount? See, how much the amount of outstanding? 400. So add 400 means how much? 16,000. So 16,000 distribute equally 8,000 and 8,000. Clear? Second effect, outstanding sundry expenses. Second effect on a liability side. So do the second effect in a liability side. So do the second effect on a liability side. Outstanding Outstanding sundry expenses. Outstanding sundry expenses. How much the amount? 4,400. Now, next is depreciate sundry assets by 20% per annum. So calculate 20% depreciation on sundry asset. See here, sundry asset less depreciation. How much? 20%. So calculate 20% depreciation on this. So 20% on depreciation. 20% on this means 6,300. So 6,300 means 31,500 minus 6,300. How much? 25,200. Now do the second effect. Second effect in a P&L account, on a P&L account debit side. To depreciation on sundry assets. How much? See, how much? 6,300. So write down 6,300. Clear? Both the effects. First effect less from sundry assets and second effect P&L account debit side. Now next. Next is goodwill of the firm was valued of rupees 6,000. Goodwill of a firm is how much? 6,000 on 1st July 2013. 1st July 2013. Not to be appear in a balance sheet. First, so at this time, what should do when a goodwill is not distributed among the goodwill is not recorded in a balance sheet. So at this time, first goodwill should distribute among these two partners first. Means this is a goodwill written off by goodwill. How much? 6,000. 6,000 distribute between D and E equally. So 3,000, 3,000. This is goodwill written off. This is what? The goodwill written off. Goodwill written off. Next, goodwill is not appear in the balance sheet. So second effect, same account, debit side to goodwill. To goodwill, in bracket write down raised. Clear? At this time, what should do? Both the effects of goodwill should do in a same account. First effect on a credit side, goodwill distribute between two partners. And this is a goodwill raise distribute between all three partners equally. Means 2,000, 2,000 and 2,000. Clear? What should do at this time? When goodwill is not recorded in a balance sheet, that time both the effects of goodwill should do in a one account. One effect of credit side between two partners, distribute between two partners, and another effect debit side, distribute the amount of goodwill between three partners. Now, next adjustment. Next adjustment is interest on capital 10% per annum. So interest on capital. So credit side, capital account credit side by interest on capital. Interest on capital 10%. 70,200, 72,000. 10% means 7,200. Next is 36,000 of amount of capital. 36,000 into 10%, 3,600. Now 12,000. 12,000 into 10% means 1,200. But this partner is admitted into business after 6 months. So into 6 months karo. Means 12,000 into 10% into 6 months means 600 rupees. Clear? Because the partner is admitted after 6 months into the business. Now second effect which side? Second effect, profit and loss appropriation account. To interest on capital. To interest on capital. Write down the name of partners. DEF. DEF. F. So, see the amount, first amount. First, how much the amount? Interest of capital of D, 7,200. So distribute this amount equally, 7,200. Distribute equally 3,600, 3,600. Now, next is interest of E. How much the interest of E? 3,600. E is whole time in the business. So 3,600 distribute equally 1,800 and 1,800. Now, next partner, F. F is admitted after 6 months. So directly write down amount in after 6 months, 600. Clear? Clear all of you how to write? Okay. Distribute the amounts equally between this is the amount of D, this is the amount of E, and this is the amount of F. Directly write down in a next column. Why? Because F is directly admitted in a after 6 months. So all the adjustments are finished. First adjustment is what? Closing stock, trading account credit side and asset side. Second adjustment, in rent paid in advance, means first effect less from rent rate and taxes. See here, less from rent rate and taxes. And second effect on a asset side. Next is outstanding sundry expenses. First effect, add in sundry expenses. Second effect, liability side. Next is sundry depreciation of asset. So first effect less from assets and second effect P&L account debit side. Next. Okay. P&L account, this side distribute this amount equally, 3,600. So always after doing the adjustment, always check out this. So 3,600 distribute equally means 3,150 because here we distributing the amount equally, na? So 3,150. After every posting, should check all the postings once again. After every adjustment, should check all the adjustment once again. Then you can know what's mistake. If you have any mistake, then you can easily understand. Next is depreciate. Next is goodwill is not recorded in a book. So both the goodwill is recorded in a same account, but one in debit side, one in and another in a credit side. And next is interest on capital. Calculate the interest on capital and posted in a profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account and distributing the amount of D because D is whole time in the business before 6 months also, after 6 months also. E is same, whole time in the business before 6 months also, after 6 months also. Only F is admitted after 6 months. So directly amount write in outer column. Next, after 6 months. Okay. Now finish all the adjustments. Now close the trading account. Now close the trading account. Close the trading account and total should write like this. Do the underline to the total. How much the total of trading account? See how much the total of trading account? Total of trading account is 6,10,500. How much the total of trading account? 6,10,500. Now find out the gross profit. To gross profit carried down. To gross profit carried down. How much the gross profit carried down? 2,05,500. Now distribute. Now carry forward this balance in a P&L account by gross profit brought down. Now distribute this amount equally means 1,02,750. 1,02,750. Now close the P&L account. Now close the P&L account. First do the total. Carefully do the total. Total is same, 1,02,750. 1,02,750. Total is same both the side, 1,02,750 and 1,02,750. Now to balance, to net profit carried down. To net profit carried down. So how much the net profit? Calculate the amount carefully. 1,02,750 minus 8,500 minus 18,000 minus 8,000 minus 3,150 means 65,100. Right? Here also same amount, 65,100. Now brought down this account, this balance in appropriation account to, by net profit brought down. By net profit brought down 65,100 and 65,100. Okay. Now tally, close this account to net profit transferred to capital account. Transfer to capital account. Transfer to capital account. DEF. DEF. Now close the balance is 65,000. Total is same, both the sides, 65,000. 65,100, 65,100. Yes, right? 65,100, 65,100. Now, find out difference. Find out the difference. 65,100 minus 3,600 minus 1,800. So how much? 79,000. 59,700. So distribute this amount between two partners, means 29,850, 29,850. Clear? How to close? Difference was 59,700. Distribute between two partners, because before 6 months only two partners in the business. Now next difference is 65,100 minus 3,600 minus 1,800 minus 600. Difference is 29,100. So distribute this between three partners. That is 29,700, 29,700, same 29,700. Because after 6 months, there are three partners in the business. Okay. Now this balance brought down in a capital account by net profit. By net profit. Net profit. How much the amount of D before 6 months? Before 6 months. 29,850. 29,850. 29,850. 29,850. After 6 months also by net profit. By net profit after 6 months. See, after 6 months, 29,700. 29,700. 29,700 and 29,700. Now do the total of capital account. Do the total of capital account. How much total of D? $72,000, 3,000, 7,200 plus 29,850 plus 19,700. means total is 1,31,750 is a total. 1,31,750 is a total. Now do the total of E. 36,000 plus 3,000 plus 3,600 plus 29,850 plus 19,700. Means total is 92,150. How much total? 92,150. And now total of F, 12,000 plus 600 plus 19,700 means 32,300. This is a total. 32,300. Now close the capital account. To balance carried down. To balance carried down. 1,31,750 minus debit amount. 45,000 minus 2,000. How much? 84,750. Next is F. 92,150 minus 22,500 minus 2,000 means 67,650. Next is 32,300 minus 4,500 minus 2,000. It means 25,800. Clear? This is a difference. Now this write in a this carried amount write in a balance sheet. So write in a balance sheet capital. Capital. Capital of who? D, E and F. D, E and F. How much the capital amount of D? See in a question. How much the capital amount of D? 84,000. So write down 84,750. Now next. How much the capital balance of E? 67,650. 67,650. How much the capital balance of F? 25,800. 25,800. Now do the tally the balance sheet. See, tally the balance sheet. What will be the total? 40,500 plus 400 plus 84,750 plus 67,650 plus 25,800. This total will be 2,19,100. Same to the total of asset side also. Same to the total of asset side also. All the amount should plus. Total of asset side also same. 2,19,100. Getting? I hope all of you will understood. How to we calculate? We just only close all the balances. We just close all the balances. Okay, plus close. First close the trading account. Next close the profit and loss account. Then close the profit and loss appropriation account. In appropriation only you have to 65,100 distribute between these two partners only. Because before 6 months only two partners in the business. 65,100 distribute between three partners because after 6 months there are three partners in the business. Clear? And then close the account. Now this balance transfer to the capital account. Close the capital account. Both the balance. Net profit before 6 months, net profit after 6 months. Write differently. And then your balance sheet will be tallied. I hope all of you will understood the lecture of admission of partners very well. Okay. Thank you.